If you need to perform a recharge and already have a charging device, then you may be able to purchase an AC Pro refill device. But first, you'll need to figure out which refill you'll need. AC Pro has 4 main refill options. Each one contains a specialized formula with certain additives that each deliver different benefits. All 4 of our AC Pro refills include refrigerant to replace what your AC system has lost and additives that extend and protect your AC system life. These refills also include a rubber stop leak to help seal common rubber leaks in O-rings, gaskets, and hoses. The 2 most premium refills, AC Pro Xtreme and AC Pro Ultra Synthetic, are formulated with extra cooling boosters to deliver the coldest air possible. AC Pro Xtreme goes the extra step to include a unique lubricant ingredient combo specifically designed to protect against extreme temperatures and high use, often resulting from frequent AC stops and startups. We also have 2 specialty products, AC Pro High Mileage and AC Pro Max Seal. The AC Pro High Mileage refill is designed for cars with 75,000 miles or more. Formula helps extend the life of older AC systems and includes a UV dye drip to identify larger leaks. AC Pro Max Seal is designed to make your AC's metal components last much longer. The refill contains a special anti-corrosion additive that'll help prevent future corrosion-induced leaks. With the right selection of formulas to solve the most common AC problems, we have you covered. Thanks for choosing AC Pro as your expert in car AC systems. Be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.